Hello highlighters! It's Leo here! Welcome back for another highlight! You know the drill highlighters, diba? Hindi tayo nagpapawili sa chismis, kaya right now, we're going to unbox the new set of Happy Meal toys, which are the Pokemon Dragon Discovery. And there are a total of 10 Pokemon to collect here in the Philippines. Yes, diba madami-dami. And unfortunately, actually worldwide set, there are a total of 14 to collect and we are missing Quagsire, Jigglypuff, Hatenna, and Eevee. Diba? Kaya, our hunt is not yet finished. Diba? So, looking forward, makompleto rin natin on the couple of months or on the following days yung complete set worldwide, diba? So, yan. And besides that, highlighters, there's a new book which is Little People, Big Dreams, Steve Irwin. Yan. So, Steve Irwin is the crocodile hunter. Okay. Yan. So, later on, we'll show you the closer look of all the toys. Okay. So, let's go and start unboxing this one. And before we start with the Pokemon set, I'll show you first the Little People Big Dreams book, which is Steve Irwin. And di ba alam nyo naman, actually hindi ko siya ino-open since I want to retain the packaging for this one. Kaya it's for you to find out highlighters yan, di ba? So actually, Steve Irwin is one of my favorite zookeeper. Pinapanood ko siya sa National Geographic. And Steve Irwin is one of the crocodile hunter or one of the famous crocodile hunter yan during the early 2000s and 90s yan. So yun yung kwento niya actually, di ba? Nice. So alam ko naman excited na kayo for this one, so let's go. Okay, so let's first yan. So kung napanood nyo yung video ko earlier, or let me say the shorts that I posted a while ago, before this full video, I've already opened one, and this is Charizard. Yan. So, alam nyo naman, or kung nagkaroon na kayo ng idea with this one, it includes one booster pack, which is consists of 4 trading card games. Sorry, nilipad yung stickers. And the stickers, at para saan tong stickers na to? This is for the activity sheets. Yan. Okay, wait. I'll adjust the camera. Yan, para makita natin ang buong buo. Yan. Okay. So, here's the back part and the front part. Ito siya. So, you're going to stick the stickers or place the stickers here. Para lang rin siyang coloring book, but the difference is that you'll place the sticker from the missing slots, diba? Wala lang siyang crayon. So, yan. I'll show you lang yung wings na ididikit ko kay Dragonite. Yan. Diba? Yun. Cool, right? Diba? Mas nabubuhay yung pinaka-poster niya. Once you place all the stickers. Okay. So, for this time around, hindi ko napapakita lahat ng pag-place ng stickers. It's for you to enjoy na lang highlighters yan. At least may idea kayo kung para saan ito, di ba? So, okay. So, here's the trading cards that I've got. The first 4. And actually, there are total of 15 to collect. I'm not pretty sure kung ilan yung regular cards, if 8 and 7 yung hologram. So, let's find out rin later. So, first, I've got Dragapult. Yan. Actually, hindi na ako masyado familiar with this Pokemon. Quagsire yan, medyo familiar ako. Third, Rayquaza. And the fourth one, the first hologram we've got is Miraidon. Yan. Okay. And actually, ang thrill or ang suspense series that even we got the total of 10 Pokemon sets, hindi pa rin sure or there's no assurance that we could complete all the 15 trading cards. So, yun yung catch for this one. Okay. So we've done with the first one. So let's go with the second set. Okay. Wait, I'll just set this aside muna or fold siguro. Here's the second one. Dragonite with Pikachu! Yay! Okay, yan. May name naman pala sa back part. Para hindi kayo malito. And the only difference from the other country is that meron siyang number written on the box. Dito wala. Okay. So let's check if same yung activity sheet na kasama. Okay. So here's the stickers. Yan, 3 pieces siya. Lagi. And syempre the booster pack. And let's open this one. Diba? So nice kung papa-frame nyo. Uy! Iba yung nasa likod niya. Oh, nice. Diba? Wait, I'll adjust it ulit. Yan. Here's Pikachu, Dragonite, and later on, hindi ko alam yung pangalan. And here's the poster. Yan. Na paglalagyan nyo ng stickers. Cool. Wala akong kilala sa kanila. Sorry. Si Umbreon. Diba? Umbreon ba? Tama ba? Yun. Okay. And by the way, later on, meron na naman siyang QR code. So, later on, iscan natin siya. Okay. Yan. And, syempre, open na natin yung booster pack. Okay. So, yan. Diba? Na-retain ko yung pristine condition ng booster pack. I've just used the cutter, yan, para to open some slit, yan, at the bottom part, yan, diba? Para tuloy siyang ninabuksan, okay. Diba? Medyo OC lang, actually pinupunit lang naman to. Pero it's for you kung anong gagawin nyo. Okay. RT lang ni Leo. Okay, let's hope there's no doubles on our second pull. Ala, ay lumabas tuloy. Okay. Oops. Yan. So, here we go. Okay. So, each booster pack pala comes with one hologram card. Okay. So, first one. Woo! Ooh, we got Charizard. Yay. The fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 10. We're just missing 10 more cards. So, here's Jigglypuff. Yay! One of my favorite Pokemon. Sa first generation, di ba tama? And next, Quagsire, we got one duplicate. Okay. And here's the hologram card, Koraidon. Okay. Yan. Yan na. So, actually, I'm not that geek in playing this trading card games kasi, di ba, may mga Claw Slash, Rampaging Fang, then may mga other details here. So, if ever highlighters, you know how to play this one, you may opt to share sa comment section yan, para naman matuto rin yung other viewers natin on how to play these cards. Kasi since me, hindi ako naglalaro noon, so, I'm just collecting these cards para hanggang makompleto ko siya. So, second pull, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more to go. And the third set would be Rayquaza. Again, syempre, before we open the booster pack, let's show you muna yung poster that comes with it. Or the activity sheet. Okay. So, same. Meron nandito si Dragonite. Uy, wala lang si Pikachu. And, ito si Hatena. Yan. Correct me if I'm wrong, highlighters, ha. Ito yung wala natin from the set. Okay? Then, here's Rayquaza. Oh, wait. Sorry. Perfect. Memorize ko sa lahat. And here's the front. Yan, si Quagsire. Oh, alam ko na yung mga pangalan. Umbreon, Pikachu. So, yan. Ang cool, no? Then, here's the stickers. Actually, hindi pala kayo malilito for this one kasi like yan si Pikachu number 12 nakalagay yan. So may guide pa rin siya kahit medyo obvious na rin naman yung paglalagay niya ng stickers, 'di ba? Okay. So yes, let's open now the trading card. Okay, so here's my third booster pack. Let's look forward na konti lang yung duplicates for this one. Or wala at all. 'Di ba? And again, there's no like hint from the booster pack. Kaya baka sabihin nyo na pinili ko siya or something na may code. Wala po. Yan, okay. So, here's the first card. Woo! Oh, we got Hatena. Yay! Next up, shoo! We got Dragapult. Another double or duplicate. Ano ba to? Ay, dragon nga siya, no? Sorry. Yan, next. Yee! Ooh, we got Umbreon. Yay, new card. And last but not the least, whoo! Hey, we got Pikachu! Uy, hologram pala si Pikachu. Nice. Yan. Actually, nakabasa ko nga sa ibang tawag dito, ibang posting sa social media. Before he got Pikachu, naka-open siya like 20 plus Happy Meals or trading cards. Yan. O, diba? Nice. Let's proceed with this one. Here's Coridon. Yan. So kayo highlighters, if you recall the first set na nirelease ng McDonald's na trading cards game, which do you prepare? Ito ba or yung previous one? Kayo, comment down highlighters. Nakalimutan ko na yung gimmick nun. Or alam ko may spinner yun eh. Pero for this time around kasi, iba naman, di ba? Activity sheet naman yung kasama. And wait, I'll adjust ulit yung camera. And yan, here's Pikachu. Hala, nakalimutan ko agad yung name. Kakasabi ko lang, here's Coridon. And here, na-open na ba natin siya? Hindi pa. Yan, so hindi pa natin alam. Okay. Nice. And here's the activity sheet. Yan, here Rayquaza with Umbreon. Ano nga bang name nito? Here's, wait. Nakalimutan ko din yung name. Hindi pa natin siya na-open. So, yan. And here's the stickers. Again ha, kayo na magdikit ng stickers. So, yun. Kasi if ever na dinikit natin siya, baka umabot tayo ng ilang hours for this one. Okay. So, and I want to retain na as is na ganito since I'm collecting this set. Yan. Okay. So, sa mga nanonood pala na mga collector ng Pokemon please bear with me. Baka ano mabanggit ko. Kindly correct me if ever na merong mali ako nabanggit, like sa pag-pronounce ng mga names and then the like. So, first pull, here we go. Ooh, we got Hatena. First duplicate from the fourth, tama ba? Fourth booster pack. Next up, uy, we got Jigglypuff, another duplicate. Diba? And actually, yung set niya, hindi mo masasabi na same set with the others. So, talagang random po siya. Then, next one, whoop! Umbreon, hello! Uy, parang same siya. Kasi di ba first pull natin to, 1, 2, 3, 4, tas 1, 2, 3, ay, ewan ko could not recall na. And last but not the least, oh, we got another Pikachu! Hala, duplicate lahat. Yan, kasi pinagyabang ko eh. Now we got no duplicates or parang konti lang and we're just missing 5 na lang. Okay. And next na, here's Dragapult. Yan, si Dragapult pala to. Hala, ang cute ng ano. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya, yung mga powers niya yon. Hindi ko na alam. And actually, highlighters, just a trivia. Total of 15 lang din yung trading cards. So, if ever, yung sinabi ko kaninang wala tayong Hatena, Eevee, Jigglypuff, and the other one, sino nga ba yung sinabi ko? Quagsire, yon. Ang pinagkaiba lang niya is the box lang. Yon, the artwork or the Pokemon. Diba? Pero syempre, that's the complete set. So, hindi natin pwedeng palagpasin. Okay, so here's the sticker. Stickers, I mean. Okay. Then, syempre, the activity sheet. So, here's Dragapult. Sino nga siya? And here's Umbreon. And here's the... Uy, ang daming Pokemon ngayon sa activity sheet. Uy, nice Cool. Diba? Ang dami. Here's Charizard. Actually, one of my favorite Pokemon rin si Charizard talaga. Diba? If you recall highlighters and meron na kayo dating Pokemon na McDonald's, yung mga figure na nilalabas nila, si Charizard, may nilabas sa McDonald's na once you push the button, the tail of Charizard will light up and yung wings niya magpa-flop. So yun, cool niya. Okay. So next, syempre the booster pack. Lighters, this exciting part. So first pull. Oh, Hatena again. Hala. Parang same scenario with the previous one. Next up. Uy, Jigglypuff. Oh, parang so parang nakita nyo na yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya. So, di ba from the previous one, same, Hatena and Jigglypuff. Wala, baka ito pa rin yun. Baka si Umbreon to. Oh, ayun nga. And Pikachu? Uy! Nice! Iba siya. Yan. So, random nga talaga. So, we got different hologram cards. So, here's Drampa. Grandpa Drampa. Uy! Seems magkatunog So, yan. Yay! Alam mo, hindi na ako ma-disappoint. Yay! We got one new card. 3? So, yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, total of 4 na lang yung kulang natin. So, next up, here's Hydreigon. Hydreigon? Tama ba? Hydreigon? Yan. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, highlighters Hydreigon. Pero kayo, highlighters, if tatanungin, which one do you prefer? The toys ba or the trading cards? Again, kindly comment down below. Doon tayo mag-chikahan. Okay. So, again, here's the sticker sheets. Ayun, kay Rayquaza to. Kay Dragonite. Kay Charizard. Oh, alam na natin kung kanining stickers. Then, oops. Yan, here's Dragonite with Pikachu. And the one we're missing, here's Eevee, one of my favorite also na Pokemon. And here's Hydreigon. Hydreigon. And here's the activity. Yan. So they are flying, di ba? Charizard, Dragonite, Dragapult, Rayquaza. Parang lahat may Rayquaza, no? Pansin nyo. So, yan. And, yun hindi ko na talaga alam kung anong kwento here. And if I'm going to ask you, sana may makasagot, highlighter. Sa tingin nyo, hindi naman, di ba, Dragon Discovery? Bakit kaya merong Eevee, Quagsire, Hatena, and si Umbreon? Kung hindi naman siya Dragon, pero nandito sa set na ito. Kindly comment down below, highlighters. What's your hula? Or maybe fact? Maybe you have some trivia for that one. Yan na. Oops. Actually, yan, medyo napadiin na natin yung hiwa. Yan, that's the concern. Tumatagos po siya sa ilalim. So, ingat lang kung gusto niya talagang i-collect. Or pwede niyo rin gamitin yung scissors. Yan. So, it's up to you talaga. Kanya-kanya tayo. On how will you preserve your toys? Okay. Oops. Nako. Mukhang ano na naman, suspense. Ayaw magpakuha ng cards. Looking forward, it's another set. Yeah. Okay. So, first pull. Quagsire. Duplicate. Next up. Eevee. Oh, yes! Our first Eevee. Wait, ayan. So, sobrang excited. Binaba ko agad. Nice one. So, we're currently missing 1, 2, 3. Yes. 3 more to go. Next one. Uy, Rayquaza. Wait, meron na ako. Na-excite lang. And last but not the least, here's the hologram card. Pikachu! Nice one. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, meaning, we completed all the 8 regular cards. So, we're currently missing 1, 2, 3 more to go na hologram card. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ito. So, looking forward sa apat na to, diba? Meron, mapuno na niya lahat. Yan. So, kasi may chances na sa dalawa, duplicate yon na hologram. Okay. So, looking forward. Woo! So, here's Miradon. Yan. Si Miradon. Diba? So, there's a chance na ganun. Diba? So, that's the fun in collecting these trading cards kasi pwede kayo makipag-trade with other one or other collectors. And if ever naghahanap kayo ng ka-trade, you may follow Happy Meal Toys PH on Facebook. Yan. Okay. So, see you there, highlighters. Yan. So, here's Hatena again. Eevee. And, hindi ko alam. Then, Pikachu. Uy, nag-iba na pala yung drawing ni Pikachu, no? Pabilog na siya. O, diba? Hindi ko na alam yun. And, next up, siyempre, the activity sheet. Again, Dragonite and Pikachu. I forgot this one. Nabuksan na ba natin siya? Yes, buksan. Ano nga name niya? Wait, I'll just check sa cards. Coraidon. Coradon or Coraidon, yan. And, of course, Miradon. Miradon, Coraidon. Miradon, Coradon. Coradon o Coraidon, yan. Uy, ito ba si yung, sasabihin ko dapat si Gyudon. Pagkain pala yun. So, kalimutan ko yung color red na Pokemon, na dinosaur. If siya ba yun? Forgot the name. Garodon ba tawag doon? Sorry. Yan. Anyway, okay. So, here's the activity sheet. Yan. Diba? So, if you're wondering bakit kaya like ito, hindi siya yung parang si Eevee talaga yung shape niya. Since yan, kapag ka like yung sticker kasi, yan, manipis, mapupunit, diba? So, napaka-friendly pa rin for kids nitong activity sheet na ito. Okay. So, yan. Here we go. Here's our 7th booster pack. First one, Quagsire. Of course, duplicates na tong first 3. Eevee. Yan. So, sana makabuo na lang ng second set. Like si Charizard kasi isa pa lang. Next up, Charizard, kakasabi ko pa lang. Diba? And last but not the least, Pikachu again! Hala! So, for this one, last 3. Wait, ito na muna. Si Roaring Moon. Roaring Moon. Roaring Moon. Okay. So, yan. So, here's the catch for this one. So, dapat yung makuha natin for this booster pack is, tawag dito? Yung pinaka missing card na natin. Since if hindi natin makakomplete yung set of cards. Hala. Okay, anyway, here's the set of stickers. So, here's Jigglypuff, Umbreon, Pikachu, Rayquaza, and wait, let's open this one. Roaring Moon, di ba? Tama. Malaki nakabahan tuloy ako. Here's Roaring Moon. Here's Charizard and Quagsire. Ang cute-cute. Yan. And yan. Ang konti lang nung Pokemon yan. Hindi. Marami naman, pero like, naman, tawag dito? Nakalimutan ko na yung name. Sorry. Yan, medyo na kinakabahan kasi ako right now. Kasi I want to complete the set kasi. Wait, I forgot the name of this one. Here's Rayquaza, Pikachu, Umbreon, Jigglypuff, and Grandpa? Di ba parang katulog niya si Grandpa? Nawawala yung niya, yung pack niya. Anyway, ayun, here, hindi pa pala natin na-open. Anyway, yan. Kaya pala hindi pa natin paalam yung pangalan. Okay. Okay, I'll fold it now. and return it to the box agad kasi para hindi siya mag-mix and match. And no. Sige, for this time around, i-open ko lang. But hindi ko agad muna ipapakita yung laman. Sige, wait. Promise. Yan, hindi pa natin siya na ilalabas from the booster pack. Later na natin i-open, okay? So, here's the 7th, 8th. Here we go. Si Drampa. Okay, so si Drampa. Hindi naman tayo nag-doubles, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, highlighters, ha? Hindi ko na ma-recall. Kasi yan, halos halo-halo na. Yan, here's Drampa. Yay! Okay, the 9th booster pack. And of course, pakita ko muna ulit si activity sheets. Hindi ko na pinapakita yan. Same lang naman yung mga trading cards na pack niya. And of course, here's the stickers. Umbreon again. Jigglypuff. Charizard. Ala, kanina to. Quagsire to. Diba? And here's Drampa. Drampa, Jigglypuff, and I forgot na naman. Ang hirap tandaan ng pangalan. Roaring Moon. Yan. And yun. Ang cool. Diba? Uy. Nice. Nice one. Diba? Ito talaga nakalimutan ko yung name nung yung evolved form. Yung before him. So, kindly comment down below highlighters. Nakalimutan ko talaga yung name. I'm pretty sure nilabas siya sa Pokemon Advance na toys na McDonald's. Yung iniikot niya yung side, tas bubuo ka. Color red yung Pokeball niya. Yan. So, sana nare-recall niyo yung toys na yon. One of my fave set ng toys ng Pokemon yun eh. Ganda nun. Yun. Sana, meron kayo ng set na yon. Diba? Yan yun. Later on, or maybe sooner or later, we'll, do some reviews yung mga old toys, diba? Kaya don't forget to subscribe, highlighters yan. Kasi the more followers, mas gaganahan tayo mag-review ng mga old toys ng fast foods para makapagbigay ng nostalgia for everyone, diba? So yan. Wait. Okay. Already opened the trading cards, and last but not the least, here's Umbreon. Yan. Okay. And syempre, before we scan the QR code, pakita muna natin syempre lahat kung makakomplete natin lahat ng trading cards. Yan. And if not, tuloy ang laban. Or, I'll ask someone na lang na makipag-trade na lang siguro. Diba? Okay. So, Umbreon, Eevee, Hatenna, sino to? Si Drampa. Yan. O, diba? Memorize ko na. Sorry. Okay. Then, here's Rayquaza, Charizard, and Umbreon. O, may exam tayo later, ah. Yan. Okay. And here's the activity sheet. Cool. So, here's Drampa, Dragapult, Umbreon, Pikachu, Eevee, and Hatenna. O, memorize ko na. Perfect. And yun, kinakabahan na ako for the trading cards. Yan, para dire-diretso yung natin, yung thrill, 'di ba? Kasi pagka inopen ko agad yung isa at napansin niyo na wala agad doon, hindi ko na kompleto. Alam niyo na, 'di ba? Anyway, here's the last set of trading card. Okay, so we've done opening the trading card. Yan. By the way, just a trivia pala, si UAE kasi na McDonald's, same ang nire-release niya sa Philippines mostly. Pero, ngayon, Pokemon pa rin naman ang release niya, but hindi siya trading cards. Looking forward, makompleto talaga natin. Anyway, yan. Here's the 7th, or 8 booster pack, I mean. First one. Here's Quagsire. Siyempre, sa last card yung pinaka-thrilling. Here's Eevee and Charizard. And here's the 8th hologram card. Or, I mean, tama, 8. Whew! We got Roaring Moon. Oh, yay! Wala pa tayo nito, si Roaring Moon. Oh! Yay! We got Roaring Moon. Yes. Okay, so as you can see, highlighters, we're currently missing two more hologram card. And the 9th booster pack, or that's the regular card naman. So don't you worry. Well, no spoilers. So first one, oops. Siyempre, saba sa ilalim yung hologram. So first one, Jigglypuff. Oops, dalawa. And Hatenna, Charizard. And last but not the least, hala, the 9th hologram. Boop! Pikachu again! Yan. Yan. So, sad to say, hindi natin makakomplete yung 15 cards. Hala. Diba? So, more Happy Meal to buy. Okay, so, in short, magkakaroon tayo ng mga duplicates na regular. Diba? Yun lang yun talaga. And how I wish, mas marami sana, hindi lang 15 yung need to collect. Diba? So, yun. Again, it doesn't mean kasi na kunyaring isa nakuha niya kay Dragonite and Pikachu, dun mo rin makukuha yung set. Hindi. Random talaga siya. Anyway, here's the last one. Hatenna. Lagi si Hatenna. Eevee. Charizard again. And last but not the least. Woo! Uy! Hydreigon! Wala pa tayo! Whee! Yes! We got the 14th trading card. Hydreigon. Whee! Okay, so we're currently missing one. And sino siya? Hindi ko alam. Yan. Kindly comment down highlighters kung sino siya. I forgot to research kasi yung name nung missing card. Yan. Pero ang saya, isa lang galing. Out of 10, diba? Na cards, na Pokemon set, or what do you call this one? We completed all 14 out of 15. So, 1 to go. Pero mahirap yun na pag 1 na lang. And syempre, as promised, let's scan the QR code. Okay. So, yan pala. Before this one, I've done my research and we're currently missing sa hologram si Dragonite. Ano ba yan? Yung isa pa sa pinakamahirap. Anyway, here's the game. Wait, I'll just adjust the volume. Oh, cool, right? Anyway, so let's play and choose one. Siyempre si Pikachu. How to play? Swipe right, left, up, down to search the maze for Dragon-type Pokemon. And their friends, okay? So, level 1. Oops. Yan. So, yes, ayan. So, you found Pikachu. So, medyo easy lang naman siya. Ayan. Tap the grass. So, we found Dragapult. Okay, so pupuntahan nyo rin yung mga grass. We got Rayquaza. Wala. Charizard. Oops! Ayan. So, dapat sumakto siya doon. And by the way, ito yung move lang niya. So, pagka naano yan, we got Jigglypuff yan. Sakto 17. So, mag-end siya kapag hindi nyo na complete yung or kulang yan. So, we got all the Pokemon and next level. We'll check later kung magkaiba rin siya sa other character yan. Kung other yung maze niya o nawala yung sounds. Anyway, yan. I'll just talk na lang. Oops. So, we got... Wala. Keep searching. And then choose another one. So, let's choose Dragonite. And let's check if the same yung maze niya. Okay. Yun lang. Check lang natin kung same lang. Hopefully, nare-recall nyo. Magkaiba po siya. Yan. Diba? So, nasa water siya. Same lang naman. Oops. Ay, gumana. Ay, hindi ganyan gumana. So, we got Pikachu. And syempre, hindi ko natatapusin. So, let's go back to the game menu and choose Hydreigon. Yan. So, iba din siya. Kanina nasa farm or garden. Isa nasa, ano yun? Sea. And ito nasa lava. Diba? So, yan. Okay. So, medyo nagkaroon ng problem yung sounds niya. I'm not sure why. Anyway. So, that's it. Highlighters. Okay. Happy Wheel Home. Okay. So, that's it. The Pokemon Dragon Discovery. So, that's it, highlighters. We're done unboxing all of this Pokemon Dragon Discovery Happy Meal toys for this month of May 2025. Yeah. And of course, before we end this video, I'm going to ask you first, which one is your favorite among all 10? Diba? Na Pokemon na we've shown you. Or, I've shown you, I mean. Yan. Siyempre, for me, hindi ko kasi actually familiar lahat sila. Kaya ang pagpipilian ko lang is si, what do you call this one? Si Dragonite and si Charizard. Okay. And for this one, for sure, ang unang maubos for this one is Dragonite and Pikachu. And currently, we're missing one hologram card and that's Dragonite pa, yung pinaka-bida pa for this set. Hala! Diba? And I'll check siguro, I'll try na bumili pa ng more Happy Meal. Or if ever na siguro, I'll try siguro until 3. If wala talaga, makikipag-trade na ako. Yan. So yun. So that's all for now, highlighters. Hope you had fun watching. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. Okay, see you on the next highlight. By the way, highlighters, see you on the next video. I think month of June, as I'll review the toys from the UAE. Yun, okay. So that's the Pokemon na meron sila, yung mga toys naman. Okay, so watch out, highlighters. Bye!